At Tella, our mission is to help you make videos you can be proud of. Videos that are an extension of your brand or your style. Maybe it's a product demo, maybe it's a sales pitch, or maybe it's an online course. Whichever it is, it should look and feel like your own. Tella Premium takes this beyond the video and onto the web page, because now you can add your own logo, color scheme, and custom domain, so that you can share and embed videos as a native component of your brand. Let me show you how it works. So this is the branding settings. On the left, you've got the settings. On the right, you've got a preview of what your video page is going to look like. So let's start with a logo. And now let's do the favicon. This is that little icon that you see in the browser tab. And now we can work on our colors. So I'm going to use the color picker to pick my brand color. And I think I want this in dark mode. That looks pretty cool. And now we can work on the button. So you can see it's kind of pink and then white. I'm going to go for a kind of dark pink secondary color. I'm just going to make that like this maybe. Maybe a bit more vibrant. There we go. That's cool. Nice. Now let's add a custom domain. So for this, I'm going to use the subdomain option. So this is going to be something.mydomain.com. So I'm going to select that and I'm going to type in video.9ranty.com. That's my personal website's domain. And I'm going to hit submit. And it's at this point that you want to switch over to your DNS provider and then finish the setup over there. Once that's sorted, you'll get the verified status like you can see I have now. And then you're basically done. So let's go and see what our video pages look like for real. So we've got the logo, we've got the little favicon, my brand colors look great. And if you open up the address bar, you can see we've got the custom domain up and running too. Now, every video that I make with Tella is going to look and feel just like my brand.